Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that on the expiry date, Bank Nifty opens a gap down and after that it shows continuous positive movement and it tried to close above that 40,000 level but it could not sustain there. And at the end, in the last 2.5 hours, it shows continuous negative movement by making M pattern from that higher side. And you can clearly see here that right now it trades around 39,600. One thing you can clearly notice here that from the last 4 to 5 days, market continuously try to close above that 40,000 level, but there are no many buyers. So when market today try to close above that, new seller were added that higher side and it continuously goes down and right now it trades around, as I said, 39,600. So if it may be continuously goes down, if it opens flat and shows any kind of negative movement, you can set our target to 39,400. For taking any kind of buying trade, my suggestion would be at least wait for another 1 or 2 days. After that you can take any kind of buying trade. If market opens gap up and try to goes up, then maybe the new seller were added there, then it maybe goes down. So for taking any kind of buying trade, we will go into it at least for 1 or 2 days. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that Bank Nifty continuously goes upwards from the last 3 to 4 days, and today it opens a gap down and it continuously took support from the 39,800 level, and this goes up and it closes above that yesterday's high. And when it shows any kind of positive movement, you can expect some buying trade here. But at the end, you can clearly see that it is so made a M pattern here and continuously goes down, and it is right now trades around 39,600 level. So if tomorrow market once again opens flat and try to goes down, then you can take trade for selling. Target will be around 39,400 to 39,200. If it opens large gap down, then we will going to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes for any kind of trend confirmation. Then after that we can decide what to do. If it opens a gap up around 39,800 or 750, then it shows any kind of positive movement, then it maybe goes until 40,000, but it maybe goes sideways for the entire day, because as I said, from the last 2 hours it continuously shows negative movement. So if it opens a gap up and shows any kind of positive movement, then it maybe go sideways. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1 candle chart. In Nifty, you can clearly see that Nifty also made a shooting star candle here and it did not close above that 70,200 level, which is kind of more negative for us. So if market once again continuously goes down tomorrow, then you can expect some selling pressure here and target will be around 17,000 to 16,950. So in 1 candle chart, it kind of looks negative to me, but for taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we will going to look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that Nifty opens gap down first, then after that it continuously took support from the trend line, which is 17,050. Then after that it shows positive movement there, and from that particular higher side, which is 17,200, it made a M pattern here and after that it continuously goes down. You can clearly see that M pattern here. First it goes up, then it shows negative movement, and once again it tried to goes up, it did not closes above that higher side, which means there are no much buyer, and after that it continuously goes down and right now trades around 70,070. So as I said, if it opens flat and try to goes down, then you can set our target to 17,000 round level. Next target will be 16,960. But if it opens a gap up, then it needs to close above 17,120 for taking any kind of buying trade. But my suggestion would be it maybe go sideways for another 1 or 2 days. Then if it opens a gap up, then we'll going to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes for any kind of trend confirmation. Then after that we can decide for taking any kind of buying trade or selling trade. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components, because Bank Nifty components are providing movement to Bank Nifty options or Bank Nifty index. So if you wanted to trade in the Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. So in Bank Nifty components, our first bank will be HDFC Bank, and you can clearly see that HDFC Bank today tried to close above that 1580 level, but it immediately hit resistance from that zone, and right now it trades around 1560. So if market once again try to close below 1560, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 1540. In ICICI Bank, you can clearly see that today market tried to close above that 865, but it could not sustain there, and right now it trades around that zone, which is 860 to 850. So as per my suggestion, if it opens the gap down or if it trades below 850, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But if it opens the gap up and shows positive movement, then you can take trade for buying after it closes above that 860 level. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank, you can clearly see here that today market once again trades below that 520 level. It continuously shows negative movement and made low around 511. So if tomorrow market once again closes below 510, then you can take short some selling pressure here, and target you can set to 503 to round level 500. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, you can also clearly see here that when that trades below that round level, which is 1700, after that it continuously shows negative movement here, and right now it trades around 1680. So it maybe goes down if it trades below 1780 once again, and target you can set to 1660. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it also made a kind of shooting star here and made around that higher side. So if it opens flat and try to closes below 887.47 or 845, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 840. In Indus Bank, you can clearly see that it opens gap down and after that it shows negative movement here. And if it maybe goes down, if it trades below 1 second 1115, and then we can set our target to round level 1000. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any question or any issue, then let me know in the comment box. I'll try to provide a resolution as soon as possible.